This campaign is the largest international mobilization of the voices of the women and men who've been hurt by abortion, gone through healing, and are speaking publicly about the negative consequences of that experience. Abortion does not help or cure any disease, and yet if this new health care reform gets put into place, it's going to create more abortion, which is going to actually have more medical complications for the people who've had abortions.
As a woman who's had an abortion, I can attest firsthand to the reality of what happens to us physically, emotionally, and mentally after an abortion occurs. These are real issues, and they relate to our healthcare issues. This issue needs to be put on the table, and I invite you to listen to our testimonies. Bring the abortion side of this discussion to the debate. Thank you.
When I found out I was pregnant, I thought I would lose my job.
My boyfriend told me to choose between him and the baby.
I worried about staying in school.
I was already struggling to care for one child.
My parents told me I wasn't ready to be a mom, so I had an abortion.
I had physical problems afterwards.
I went from relationship to relationship.
I hated myself.
I started to have nightmares.
I cried when I saw a pregnant woman.
I tried to commit suicide.
I couldn't bond with the child I later had.
I tried to numb my pain with alcohol.
I struggled with depression.
I had trouble conceiving again.
You see, abortion didn't solve our problems.
It just created different ones.
Each of us thought we were the only ones struggling afterward.
Now we realize many women regret their choice.
That's why we are silent no more.
We found help and healing, and you can too. Call or go online today.
Hi, I'm Father Frank Pavone, Director of Priests for Life and Pastoral Director of the Silent No More Awareness Campaign. The testimonies you just heard, and many more with them, can be used so effectively to cut through the rhetoric of the abortion debate. I'm urging you today to use what you have just seen. Spread this video to as many people as possible and partner with the Silent No More Awareness Campaign so that the words of these testimonies can continue to challenge our nation and convert it to a culture of life. Thanks for all you do for the pro-life cause. We are ready to join forces with you to bring about the day of victory.